While I understand it is Callus Tuesday, I apologize for this being a nail video, but I promised this young man that I would make sure that this got up on the next available date, which is Callus Tuesday, even though it's a nail, and he agreed to let me film. So here it is, a nail video on Callus Tuesday.
Oh, you can watch this forever and ever. You can show this to your children.
Okay, so about a month ago, why don't you tell me what happened? You were moving something?
Yeah, a dresser, and I put it down on my toe.
On purpose?
No.
Okay, and it got all bruised and grody looking and stuff?
Yeah.
Okay. So when the nail is kind of loose like that, you see it moving? It just means that it's not attached to the skin anymore. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, because you're going somewhere warm with beaches, I'm just gonna trim this off in little pieces here. And we'll just get off whatever isn't attached. Am I hurting?
No, it just feels weird.
It feels weird, yeah. But the skin underneath is just all toughened up like regular skin, so it won't be sensitive at all. So.
It's like going to the spa.
Sort of. And the new nail will grow back, and it'll grow back just fine. Now, if the peanut gallery is going to lose it, you need to go outside.
Oh, no, I'm fine.
Okay.
The part that's attached, that is painful to pull out, correct?
Yeah, it would be. So are you guys headed for this nice warm beach vacation?
Mexico.
Nice.
Plan.
Del Carmen?
Mm-hmm. Yes. We are headed to Playa. Hopefully, it'll be a good, relaxing vacation. After we eat latkes. What about you? Are you going anywhere?
I am not. Did that hurt or did that phone scare you?
It hurt a little.
It hurt a little? Okay. So there's just like a little teeny bit still attached there. But the new nail is, let's make sure we still got you in
I
frame
mean,
there.
if we would, let's say hypothetically speaking, if we
Mhm.
were to numb him up
No,
and pull up, no, we
No,
don't need to do that?
don't need to do that.
Oh.
Okay. Beautiful.
Perfect.
So this is just all good skin right there. Okay, right in here. That's all good skin, and it's not tender when I touch it, right?
It's a little.
A little, okay, so you could put a Band-Aid on it. But the new nail, actually, you see this white stuff here? That's new nail already growing in. So it would have pushed the old one completely out. But yeah, so that should feel really good, and thank you for letting me do the video.
No problem.